What's good? I trust that this message found you at an opportune time, and I pray and manifest that it would locate whoever it's for. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So we're going to start with the number 23, the card Star Mother Arrakis, my apologies, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, reduces to the number 5 once again. We're in the month of May, the 5th month, when I'm recording this. But this is a timeless message, so whenever it locates you, there's likely something in here that's for you, and you can ask Spirit to translate. So we're going to read this quote from Rumi. Be the king who has made his own kingdom. Be the moon that has made her own summit. How much longer will you coo like a pigeon? Empty your head of all mortal lusts and become life without breath. You will not call out for God anymore, for you have become immersed in God. Rumi. Your star mother, Arrakis, dances with your soul on the celestial inner planes. She dances in the embrace of Father Sky, shining white and pale, deep in devotion to the light behind all that is. Arrakis, dancing star of the heavens, incites our souls to feel the rhythm of life and surrender to it in flow, in grace, stumbling, and in play. Like a child who thinks not of the right steps, but just moves with the music and with joy, she reminds you to dance freely and from your heart. She reminds you that your soul is constantly dancing with the divine. What better way to connect with the joy and beauty of your soul than to mimic its movements? So dance, beloved. Let your being dance. O Arrakis, your bright beauty penetrates even the darkest of minds to remember, remember, remember. She calls out. Her voice is music to our hearts. You are a child of heaven. You are born of such regal stuff. Dear dancing child of the stars. When you suffer, I send you my comfort, as stars falling from the sky. When you triumph, my dance becomes wild, and light erupts from my heart in all directions. The light becomes music, stirring within you with an urge, almost inexplicable, and yet so very deep and real. To make music, to create art, to dance, to play, to be at one with the joyful, creative energy that dwells within you, beloved. Star child, earth angel, divine creature, your star mother keeps an eye on all of the wild games happening in the sacred playground of the earth. She will care for you, righteous and true, shining divine justice and protection. No bully shall prevail over you. No bully from within you shall prevail either. No lies, deceit, or injustice shall temper your wild truths. Be demanding and claiming her love for you. Learn how to love yourself as she loves you, with wild, unconditional, passionate regard. Be like the child wailing for its mother. Ma, 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 come close. Then she descends. Like a torrential downpour of devotional light, a tsunami of affection is unleashed. A rampaging cosmic tigress hurtles toward you, her claws gripping the fabric of the skies as she rushes to protect her beloved cub. She will fight for you against the forces that would dull you and dumb you down, that would obscure your brilliance and stultify your free-form dance into strict choreographed movements. She will pour her luminous essence into every crevice of your demanding soul. Nothing can resist her light. All shall be washed and revived in the outpouring of her luminous love. Then, sated and content, you are the child so secure in the love of the mother. You trust in life implicitly and in what is brought to your door. You do not succumb to untruths. You do not resist because you are safe, held in the love of the mother. You have no need to resist. What is there to resist? Nothing. There is only the loving truth in your world, and all is at peace in your heart. Wow. it's wild because I channeled a message recently and it's called Boundless or Blessings Abound. And some of that imagery was also in my channeled message, and I've never read that before. So it's just wild when I see the synchronicities. Okay, we're going to read Into the Unknown, number 7. So what I just read there was from the Rumi Oracle deck by Alana Fairchild, and now this is the Colette Baron Reed Enchanted Map. And Into the Unknown, it says, trust and all will be revealed. Life is an adventure, and often new opportunities will arise that you won't know how to deal with. This is one of those times. You're required to trust that this new phase will reveal wonders and miracles as you step into unknown territory. Imagine that you are not only a pathfinder, but a path maker. Whatever your inquiry, trust that you'll be safe. Stay aware as you discover new and marvelous territories and valuable treasures. And now we're going to go to number 38. Heal the ouch. Forgiveness is the healer of the soul. This is a time for great soothing of the heart, body, soul, and mind. As this card indicates, that healing will be prevalent in your life now. If you feel drawn to study the healing arts, you'll be successful in developing your natural capacity to restore others to wellness. However, the message may be that you're being called to change your behaviors in order to heal the earth. Perhaps you'll switch to a cruelty-free diet, eating less meat, or perhaps you'll pay more attention to how much water or electricity you use. You're asked to be conscious of your footprint on the sacred earth and all of life, and to commit to the healing path. The Heal the Ouch card may also be an indicator of old wounds and broken bonds being mended. Reconciliations are possible now. Let bygones be bygones. So what's wild is that from my deck, we have that the storm is over here. And then generational wealth and creativity creates the pathway. So interesting about the reconciliation possibility, or just simply finding solutions into receiving generational wealth, and that the storm is over in your life. And I really love the imagery from the Star Mother about the protection there, and like, what is there to resist if you know that you're divinely protected, and if you could really accept that everything is working out for you and everything is happening for you and not to you, and no matter how it looks, it's all going to work out for you. The storm is over. Allow yourself to live in that blissful moment of creativity, of the dancing and the singing and the being. Allow yourself to believe in generational wealth coming through for you, no matter how long it appears to be taking. Fall in love with the process of creation, of being a creator, just after just like your creator created you. In the image of the creator, we create. In the echo of revelation, we create. And into the unknown we go. Be blessed, be well, be free.